Hi guys, Good God Gill here, and
Hey, Kindoggy.
Kindog. Basically, we decided our friend needs a PC, so we decided to build him one. Hopefully, it works out pretty well. He's not doing any gaming on it, but
So no graphics.
no graphics card in there, but just wanted something half decent, and we thought that we'd be able to do it for him. So let's go and check out some of the parts.
Alright, come join us.
Yeah.
Alright guys, as you can see, we've got our gear. We're going to give you a run through of the stuff we've got, and then we're going to build this thing. Alright guys, you see we've got our LightPower 650 watt power supply, our Intel Optane, lovely looking piece of equipment, and we got our 2 hard drives, our solid state, and our 2 terabyte. We're going to be using the solid state mainly for Windows, and this is storage. Up here we've got our lovely motherboard, the B250 Gaming A4 ASRock, should hopefully do the job. Over here we got 8GB of RAM in total. We wanted more, but it is ridiculously expensive, so get what you get. And lastly over here we've got the Core i5, the 7500 series. We were going for the 7400, but it was out of stock unfortunately, but this will do just fine. And last but not least, if you just head up over here, we have our lovely case, the Carbine 270. Beautiful looking design, good old Corsair, always make a nice looking case. It's nothing too grand or fancy, it's just simple, just what our mate wants, and hopefully you'll enjoy it.
Well, there it is, guys. As you can see, it's all up and running, and nothing too fancy for him, but I think he seems to like it.
Yeah, I reckon he enjoys it. As you can see, we also added in a little bit extra. We added in a Wi-Fi card. Hopefully in the future we'll be able to talk him into a graphics card, but time will tell.
Time will tell, yeah. But in the meantime, check out our other videos, hit that like.
Oh, and don't forget, subscribe!